Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that we've learned about A5 Wagyu, it's time to get into how to cook and enjoy this incredible beef. Whether you're at home or dining out, we've got some tips you won't want to miss. Let's jump in. How to cook A5 Wagyu at home. Preparing A5 Wagyu at home is simpler than you might think. This beef doesn't need fancy marinades or heavy spices to shine. Its exceptional quality means the focus should be on letting the natural flavors take center stage. A minimalist approach works best here. Think of it as allowing a masterpiece to speak for itself. To make the most of your A5 Wagyu experience, keep these tips in mind. Portion wisely. Start with small servings. A little goes a long way due to its richness. Aim for a piece about the size of your palm per person. Bring it to room temperature. Before cooking, let the beef sit out for 20 to 30 minutes. This ensures even cooking throughout. Use the right pan. Opt for a cast iron skillet or a heavy, non-stick pan. These retain heat well and create a perfect sear. Here's a simple guide to cooking A5 Wagyu. Searing. Heat the pan to medium-high, but don't add oil. A5 Wagyu renders its own fat as it cooks. Place the beef gently into the pan, and let it sear for about 30 seconds to 1 minute on each side. You're aiming for caramelization on the outside while keeping the inside tender and rare. Minimal seasoning. Avoid overpowering the beef with heavy spices. A light sprinkle of salt just before cooking enhances the flavor without masking it. For a finishing touch, consider a few flakes of sea salt after cooking, nothing more. Grilling option. If you prefer grilling, make sure to preheat your grill to medium heat. Place the Wagyu slices briefly on each side, much like searing. Keep an eye on timing, as it cooks incredibly fast. Remember, overcooking A5 Wagyu is like washing away art with soap. Its fats are so delicate that they melt quickly, so your focus should be on a quick sear to preserve its buttery texture and flavor. Cooking A5 Wagyu at home isn't just a meal prep routine, it's an event, a chance to savor something truly exceptional. Whether you're hosting guests or treating yourself, taking the time to cook it carefully ensures every moment with this remarkable beef is one to remember. Global appeal and cultural importance of A5 Wagyu. From its origins in Japan, A5 Wagyu has evolved into a globally celebrated delicacy, embodying both tradition and innovation. While its taste and texture steal the culinary spotlight, the deeper appeal lies in the cultural values it represents and how it's embraced worldwide. Let's explore both its symbolic importance in Japanese culture and its presence in fine dining across the globe. Symbolism of Wagyu in Japanese culture. Wagyu is more than just a high-quality beef in Japan, it's a symbol of craftsmanship, respect, and the pursuit of perfection. It reflects values deeply rooted in Japanese society, such as meticulous attention to detail and a commitment to excellence. The legacy of A5 Wagyu isn't just about raising cattle, it's an art form steeped in tradition. In Japan, hospitality, or omotenashi, is a key part of the culture, anticipating the needs of others and offering kindness without expecting anything in return. Offering Wagyu during a meal reflects this spirit. Serving such an exquisite food isn't just about nourishment, it's a gesture of care and honor for the guests. Whether it's presented at a family gathering or as part of a special ceremony, Wagyu stands as a token of generosity. Even the farming reflects these values. Ranchers treat Wagyu cattle with remarkable care, ensuring their well-being at every step. Their diets are carefully curated over years, and their living conditions are designed to reduce stress, resulting in the highest quality beef. This isn't just about producing good food, it's about respecting the process, dedicating yourself to quality, and taking pride in a job done well. It's the perfect metaphor for Japan's approach to life, measured, intentional, and always striving for the best. Wagyu also symbolizes the connection between tradition and modernity. While the farming techniques have evolved over time, the respect for heritage remains intact. This delicate balance mirrors Japan's cultural identity, where ancient customs harmoniously coexist with innovation. A5 Wagyu in international cuisine. As the world's most premium beef, A5 Wagyu has naturally become a centerpiece in fine dining across continents. Its name conjures images of luxury and indulgence, cementing its spot on the menus of Michelin-starred restaurants and high-end steakhouses. Chefs around the world view A5 Wagyu not just as meat but as a canvas for creativity. From Los Angeles to Paris to Sydney, A5 Wagyu is frequently featured in tasting menus and signature dishes. Why? Its rich marbling and unmatched tenderness make it a crowd favorite, instantly elevating any dining experience. Some chefs keep it simple, letting the natural flavors shine through in seared slices or thin shabu-shabu cuts. Others push boundaries, experimenting with techniques like sous vide or pairing it with unexpected ingredients like truffle foam or yuzu-infused sauces. This delicate beef adapts beautifully, expanding the possibilities in high-end gastronomy. Beyond its traditional forms, Wagyu has also made its way into dishes you might not expect. Wagyu sliders or sushi-grade Wagyu nigiri bring a fresh twist to global cuisines, showcasing its versatility. Even the act of incorporating Wagyu into popular meals like burgers or tacos feels like an elevated treat, offering a small taste of luxury in a more casual setting. But more than its culinary application, A5 Wagyu has become a symbol of status and celebration. Ordering it is often reserved for marking memorable moments, a milestone anniversary, an important business dinner, or a cherished dinner party with friends. Its exclusivity adds a sense of occasion, making a meal feel less like food and more like a shared experience. With its rise in global popularity, the appreciation for Wagyu goes far beyond just its taste or texture. It's about the story behind each cut, the traditions of Japanese craftsmanship, and the innovative spirit of chefs worldwide. In every bite, you're not just tasting beef, you're tasting legacy, passion, and the artistry of food at its finest. How to identify and purchase genuine A5 Wagyu. If you're planning to try A5 Wagyu, it's essential to make sure you're getting the real thing. With its premium price and reputation, there are plenty of imitators out there. Knowing what to look for and where to buy can save you from disappointment and ensure you're indulging in the authentic experience this remarkable beef offers. Where to buy A5 Wagyu? Finding authentic A5 Wagyu is easier than ever, but it's important to choose your source wisely. Not all Wagyu sellers are created equal, and with such a prized product, it's worth going the extra mile to find a trustworthy source. Here are your best options. Specialty meat shops, high-end butchers or Japanese specialty stores are some of the most reliable places to find authentic A5 Wagyu. These locations often have knowledgeable staff who can guide you through the grading, cuts and origins. When possible, visit these shops in person to inspect the beef and ask questions directly. Online retailers. The internet has made it possible to order A5 Wagyu directly from Japan or trusted suppliers worldwide. Look for online stores with solid reviews and a transparent sourcing process. Reputable companies like Crowd Cow, Holy Grail Steak Company, or the Wagyu Shop provide details about the farm, breed, and certification, so you know you're getting the real deal. Reputable butchers. Many top-tier butchers now carry A5 Wagyu, especially in major cities. Find shops with a good reputation for quality and customer service. If they don't regularly carry A5 Wagyu, some may even be able to special order it for you. High-end grocery stores. Upscale grocers such as Whole Foods or other premium markets might occasionally stock A5 Wagyu in limited quantities. The meat will usually be found in the specialty butcher section, and availability can vary. The cost of A5 Wagyu. Due to the intensive care, special diets, and strict grading processes involved, A5 Wagyu is one of the most expensive types of beef in the world. Expect to pay premium prices, especially for genuine cuts from top-tier regions like Kobe. Prices can vary depending on factors like the cut, weight, and where you buy. For example, a standard A5 Wagyu steak can cost upwards of $100 per pound, while specialty cuts, like Kobe beef, can soar even higher. When shopping for A5 Wagyu, be prepared to spend a premium, but rest assured that the experience is well worth it. The price reflects not only the quality and labor-intensive process behind the beef but also its status as a luxury item. If you're looking to splurge on a truly exceptional culinary experience, A5 Wagyu offers a rare treat you'll never forget. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.